Veteran politician and former Chief Minister of Meghalaya D Rymbai breathed his last on the morning of 21st April 2022 at the age of 87 at his residence at Mawlai Mawdatbaki, Shillong. Rymbai entered politics in 1983 and contested and successfully won the elections to the State Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya on a Congress ticket from Jirang Constituency. Rymbai became Deputy Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in the same year, while in 1993 he was elected Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. D Rymbai became the Chief Minister of Meghalaya on the 15th of June 2006 and served till March 2007. He later resigned from the Assembly and from the Indian National Congress on the 4th of January 2008. D Rymbai is survived by his wife Pegiman Pathau and 3 daughters and 2 sons.